In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush subscription. So if you're looking to end your subscription but aren't quite sure how to go about it, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can do this seamlessly. First, head over to the Semrush website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in semrush.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the home page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to access your account next. Simply click on the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, like your email and password, and then proceed to log in. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page again, where you'll see an account icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Subscription Info. This is where you can manage all the details related to your subscription. When you're in the Subscription Info section, focus on the top part of your dashboard. You should see a section marked Recurring. This is where your active subscriptions are listed. Next, you'll want to click on the drop-down arrow next to the subscription details. This action will reveal more options related to your subscription management. In this drop-down, look for the option that says Disable. By clicking Disable, you'll be initiating the cancellation process for your subscription. Once you've clicked Disable, you'll be prompted to continue with canceling your subscription. Click on Continue to Cancel to proceed further. Now, Semrush will guide you through a few steps where they'll want to understand why you're choosing to cancel. They might present this as a short survey or a list of reasons you can choose from. Just select the option that best describes your reason or type in a brief explanation if needed. Finally, after you've provided your feedback, you'll reach the fourth step. Here, you'll find the Cancel Subscription button. Click on it, and with that, your Semrush subscription will be canceled. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully canceled your Semrush subscription. It's always a good idea to check your email for a confirmation message regarding the cancellation, just to ensure everything went through smoothly. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.